All right. Hey everybody, welcome back. No computer on the table because I was reached out to from a company called Silkland. Silkland makes cables and they're very excited about their new, and as you can see I haven't opened it yet, it is a 4K 240 hertz DisplayPort cable. For those of you who don't know, HDMI and DisplayPort are the same, but not, especially if you're a gamer. The other thing, and by the way, with cable companies, a lot of times, you know, and everything is in meters, whatever, nobody uses a 3-foot cable anymore. So they knew that, I know that, now you know that. So they sent me a 6-foot cable. Yay! Already I can tell you, well built, gold plated, and yeah, is it 6 foot? Yeah, it's about 6 foot. There's a lot of cables out there. A lot of them are, you can tell, the fronts are plastic, which is right here. This is not. This is metal, gold plated and metal, which means conductivity, better conductivity, no lapse in speed. The cord's nylon braided, which it's sturdy, it's firm. I don't like too loose because you tend to, you know, if you're trying to move stuff around, a lot of guys move stuff around. They move their computer, or they have, you know, ones with handles on, take them somewhere, take their cables with them. This actually lets you know, like, hey, be careful. It's a well-built cable. Don't, you know. Okay. I believe this one retails for $19.99, and for a 6-foot cable for $19.99, that's going to give you 240 hertz speed. So 4K at 240 hertz, what that means is, again, with the conductivity, with the you're talking real crisp visuals, crisp gameplay. Now, obviously, not everybody plays on 4K monitors. Prices are going down, but most people 1080. I do both. I do all. I do 1080 and 1440 there, and 4K behind, you know, in front of me, and so I'm looking forward to trying this out. We take cables for granted. I have, you have. What is important? And this is the difference in quality. Silkland, the company, is Vesa certified. You can look it up. I believe it's S1334. They are, that's big. In the cable world, that's big. If you're Vesa certified, that's legit. This is them. Check them out on Amazon. There'll be a link in the description. We're gonna game on it. We're gonna see, I have a 240 hertz monitor right in front of me, and we will be using their products. Thank you, Silkland, for sending this to me. And yeah. And finally, to wrap up, and just kind of repeating what I said before, you know, at the end of the day, if you're investing in a high-end, you know, you see the PCs I build. If you're investing, and obviously I sell them, sometimes I don't, but sometimes I do, sometimes they go to part out and whatever. But my point is, most of you spend your hard-earned money on a PC, buy a high-end cable. Don't let a cheap cable like hold you back, especially now, like I said, with the prices of 4K coming down, the prices of 1440 even coming down are very, very reasonable with the high refresh rates. So great cable, great product. Thank you, Silkland, and we'll see you soon.